Hello, our kids. Today we learn phonics together. Say with me. Apple.
A apple.
B ball.
B ball.
C cat.
C cat.
D duck.
D duck.
E egg.
E egg.
F fish.
F fish.
G goat.
G goat.
H horse.
H horse.
I ink.
I ink.
J jacket.
J jacket.
K kite.
K kite.
L lion.
L lion.
M monkey.
M monkey.
N nest.
N nest.
O orange.
O orange.
P plane.
P plane.
Q queen.
Q queen.
R rabbit.
R rabbit.
S snake.
S snake.
T tiger.
T tiger.
U umbrella.
U umbrella.
V vase.
V vase.
W watch.
W watch.
X fox.
X fox.
Y yacht.
Y yacht.
Z zebra.
Z zebra.
Goodbye.